Sports Report. The case came before Mr. Justice Garrett Simons, who said that he will rule on an application brought by Mr. Lobov, which is opposed by Mr. McGregor, for orders including an injunction requiring Mr. McGregor to remove the material complained on Friday morning. Mr. Lobov claims that the most damaging post about him on Mr. McGregor's Twitter account, at the Notorious MMA, is where he is allegedly referred to in a song sung by Mr. McGregor as being a rat. The High Court heard that Mr. Lobov claims that the defendant's posts about him arise from other legal proceedings brought by him against Mr. McGregor over a purported multi-million-euro whiskey deal. As a result of the posts, Mr. Lobov seeks an order under Section 33 of the 2009 Defamation Act prohibiting Mr. McGregor from publishing any further posts similar to those allegedly published by Mr. McGregor on Twitter on November 26 last. The 36-year-old Russian national also seeks an order requiring the defendant, or any other person who has notice of the proceedings, to cease and desist from making any similar posts on social media to those complained of. Mr. Lobov, who is represented by Andrew Walker SC instructed by solicitor Dermot McNamara, further seeks an order requiring the defendant to take down and remove any of the allegedly defamatory posts on Twitter or on any other form of social media. Mr. McGregor was not present in court on Thursday morning, but lawyers on his behalf opposed the application. His counsel Remy Farrell SC, instructed by solicitor Michael Stain, said the matter, including the application for a Section 33 order, was wholly unsustainable, raised issues concerning the freedom of speech and expression, and that there were other alternative remedies available to Mr. Lobov. He added that both parties in this dispute are MMA fighters and that Mr. Lobov was not happy that Mr. McGregor was being mean in the posts about the plaintiff. Counsel said that both were MMA fighters, and in that sport thrash talk between rivals was commonplace. Counsel accepted that while Mr. McGregor has not yet sworn a statement in reply to the application before the court, which he added Mr. McGregor is seeking time to do. Seeking the injunction, Mr. Walker said that it is his client's case that the defendant has no defense to the application, and that the orders sought by Mr. Lobov should be granted by the court. His client has not received any response from Mr. McGregor regarding his complaints about the posts, nor a sworn statement formally opposing the injunction application. In his submissions, Mr. Walker did not accept that the comments made were merely unfair and upsetting to his client. The uncontrolled posts by Mr. McGregor about his client. In other messages posted on the account, it is claimed that Mr. McGregor calls Mr. Lobov a little blouse, a turncoat, an uncooked sausage, makes references to court proceedings the parties are in, and challenges the plaintiff to a fight.